Use of mailing feature. It is possible to send report-related emails to your treatment partners. See envelopes at different pages of the RepTool. Here, for example, under Edit Report or in the Overview or under the Calculation of Results. If you want to use this feature, click the checkbox Use Mailing Feature. And a field for generating a test email will appear. Enter your email address and press the Send button. If it does not work, please have a look into the user manual system level on possible reasons. If you don't need this feature, unclick the checkbox. If you click the checkbox Send Notification Mail on Change of Report Status, an automatic email will be sent from the user of the reporting company whenever he or she changes the status of a report. This may help the responsible person of your WE system or company to trace the process of work of reporting and, e.g., will initiate your control of the report. This feature needs the email address of the system user whom this email shall be sent. See menu point System Users under Administration. It is also quite beneficial if you enter also the email addresses for the users of your treatment partners, but that's not necessarily needed. The mailing feature contains a kind of self-learning mechanism which collects the email addresses. You may adapt the text to be shown and sent. You have to confirm changes by using the Submit button.